get back to work. You get back to work.
You get back to work.
I am working, mate. Yes guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm back at Knowsley. First video at day. Brought my tripod with me today. Got my DSLR camera. Don't bring it out much. I'm here with West Audit Report. And I'm just going to spin the camera around, guys, and show you where we are. There we go. For all you tissue lovers. We're back at Eurovast. Now there's only two cars from what I can see in here today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's quite a few. Yeah. We must start work before 8 o'clock then, these guys. Anyway, we've come back to the area to basically just stand outside here and just video again. Anyone asks us what we're doing. It is a peaceful protest. So this is our second visit. First visit we didn't really get out from him. The guy was hiding. The guy was hiding the director in the reception area. Zoom right in, you'll see it in video, and then well, you'll see it in video in a little while. Because what I'm doing is I'm putting clips from the first visit in with this video, hoping we can get a little bit of a better video today. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Like I said, we're in the area anyway, so we've not wasted our time. If we get something, we'll get something. If we don't, we don't. But I think this lot of shit in the pants and running scared after what happened to Northern Audits. Bloody hell, he's got a John Cena ball patch.
It's got a bit of an ivories, but it's only because it's raining and it's probably the first coat he's grabbed.
Yeah, they don't like wearing ivories here unless he's a driver.
They love tissue, they hate ivories.
Yeah, tissue lovers, eh? Yeah, tissue lovers. Tissue lovers. Come and get your tissues. We've got big tissues, small tissues, little tissues, thick tissues, thin tissues. You want tissues? We haven't got it, you don't want it. Come on in, tissue lovers.
Well, I know tissue lovers. Too much.
So guys, we're just getting set up outside Eurovast. So we've strapped the umbrella to the tripod, right? We've got the road cat on there, dead cat, fluffy cat, whatever you want to call it. What Scottish camcorder out. Basically, what I've said to him is, if anyone comes out and asks us what we're doing, we'll tell them we're making a documentary. It's a new documentary, and it's called Britain's Most Violent Employers.
Or Britain's Most Destructive Directors. We've had a couple this month.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we've had a couple this month. One up at Erlen, Libra Chemicals, and one down at Eurovast. So at least cameras staying dry. Sorry, at least cameras are staying dry. This rain will be passing over within the next half an hour. It's supposed to completely stop by 9 o'clock. I'll be start again at about 2, 3. But we'll see what happens. All these guys must get here before 8 o'clock then.
That's the guy.
Just caught a little glimpse of him.
He's here today.
So that's the director, guys. Just caught a little glimpse of him going in. Eh? Nearly had an accident. Muppets.
Nearly had an accident, it just drove straight out.
So, this is my place. This is my place. The director's here.
Too much, too much.
What? That's too much.
Not too much.
I've got all the frigging windows blacked out. Right, we've got a car coming in. Yankee Bravo 72 Whiskey Uniform Tango. I think it's a taxi. Yep, someone's coming to work. Let's see what else works here. We've got another lorry coming in as well. PJ22HBG. Picking up a bit now. You know that lorry driver who went in there, it's not come back out yet. Got another lorry coming in. I wonder if they're as aggressive as the directors. There we go. So got Papa. Never mind, they're not coming in. Turn your indicator off, you pleb.
I bet they were coming in because they slowed down.
Oh no, they're taking next left. They're going next left.
Well, we can't get into this place.
No. Well, it's still raining, guys. Ah, I can see some white light coming over from yonder. Hopefully these rain clouds will pass over in a minute.
This car's turning around.
Maybe it was meant to come in here. Look at us, guys. This is what we're doing for you, Northern Audits. Getting piss wet through, standing under an umbrella, mate. It's Eurovast. They are coming in.
It's come to get a better view.
They are coming in. Papa Kilo 68 Alpha Charlie Yankee.
I think they made a wrong turn. Dropping a mummy off. This is fine, this is good.
Head down in shame.
Yorkshire is happening.
That's too much. Right, has he got out that car yet?
No.
Or she? Basically.
Here he comes.
Someone's just come speeding in off at Main Road.
Got his hood up, his car. Maybe it's him inside his car.
Slow down in future, pal, you're going too fast. Don't want to cause an accident, do we?
Going to high vis, going into a restricted area. Obviously you don't need a high vis.
Don't want to be seen, does he?
So there again.
Oh, he's just dropping a parcel off, I think. Yeah. RJ19BWO. I think he's
yeah, he's just dropping shit off.
probably a Hermes guy, innit?
Yeah.
He were looking at us well. Wondering what we're doing.
Because you were laughing about us down there. Look, lads.
Sorry,
What am I filming?
Them lot.
I'm allowed to film, mate. I'm in a public place.
what's it about regarding, like?
Not to do with you.
Place.
Alright.
Get back to work.
You talking to?
You, get back to work.
you get back to work?
I am working, mate. Because I can. Get back to work.
You might be
I
famous.
am, yeah.
Bye. Go away. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. So we've got another truck coming in. DK13WKH. I wonder if they know what kind of company they're lining up with. Still keeping dry under our umbrella. So it's all good. The rain's nearly stopped. Look, we've got another FLT driver down there with no high vis on. No high vis again. I've already informed the viewers I'm putting clips of the first video in with this video. So the other times you see the drivers having no high vis, guys, that's in the separate video. The first visit, I mean. Taxi's umbrella. We need another. So it looks like this driver's getting ready to go over at Weybridge. He's a truck driver, isn't he? Probably has had a big breakfast. So I'd say Eurovast are officially shitting their pants. Now I know Midland Audits has been here. We've been here twice now, and I don't know if he's had any interactions, but we've had none on both visits. So these guys have well and truly learned the lesson. Well and truly. I don't think anybody will get anything else from these guys. Now what we're doing is obviously peaceful protest. Everyone's got the right to peaceful protest in this country. So if the police turn up, we tell them we're peacefully protesting, we've not been on site, we've not tried to antagonise them, we've just filmed and observed from the public areas, which we're legally allowed to do. So I've got someone else out here now. I don't know if he works for Eurovast or if it's someone else. Is he a wagon driver? Huh? All right. Come back to you from when, guys, if and when. So Mr. FLT man's back out. But no, you see we're driving, we're not high visible. But no, we're watching them. Yet they're still not sticking to health and safety regulations. But no, we're watching them. Absolutely crazy.